Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not receiving text in iOS 27. So guys, if you're not receiving any message or text on your iPhone after updating your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general and then go to iPhone storage and make sure that your iPhone storage is not full. And after this, go back and now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here or turn on the toggle for set automatically. Do this, and after this go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again, go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. Again, go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to your apps and go to messaging app from here, and then you have to simply scroll it below and turn on the toggle for iMessage if the toggle is off. So guys, simply turn it on, and after this restart your device for one time as well. So guys, simply restart your device and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact your service provider for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.